Video that streams from a website such as YouTube or Vimeo can be a good alternative to embedded video. You don't have quite as much playback flexibility, but if you know a few tricks, you still have quite a bit of control. For this lesson, open the InDesign file for lesson 204. Now admittedly, the way that you add streaming video to InDesign is a little weird. First, go to YouTube and find a video that you want to place into this layout. I'm going to use this one, but if this exact video is no longer available on YouTube, just grab any video that you like. Then click the Share button and then Embed. Next, click the Copy button to copy the embed code. Now back in InDesign, here's the strange part. With nothing selected, choose Paste from the Edit menu. There will be a brief delay, you'll have to wait a few seconds, and soon you'll see a frame the size of the video appear. You'll probably see a message that looks something like mine, but you can ignore it. That's all you have to do. Go ahead and save the file and export to see the result. Now, let's learn how to customize this experience. First of all, let's talk about the size of the video. Let's resize this frame so that it's much smaller. Be careful to hold down the Shift key to maintain the proportions as you scale it. Now, resizing the frame isn't enough though. We have to resize the video stream also. To do this, make note of the width and height of your frame. Then right-click on the frame and choose Edit HTML. Enter the new width and height values here. Now, while we're here, there's one more thing you should do. Add full screen space right before gyroscope. This will enable the full screen button that's provided by the YouTube interface to work. Without this addition, the full screen button will appear but won't do anything. Now click OK and export to see the result. Very nice. The experience of including a video that streams from Vimeo is similar, but is even easier. Go ahead and delete the frame that holds the YouTube video. Go to the Vimeo website and find a video that you like. I'm using this one. Click Share and then Show Options. Vimeo gives you the options for size right here, and if you enter a new width, it calculates the height for you to keep the video proportional. You've got a couple of other options here too. You can remove a lot of the title crud, which is really nice. However, the autoplay setting here doesn't work in most browsers due to browser security settings. Then copy the embed code and paste it into InDesign. Go ahead and export and view the result. Plain streaming video works well and is pretty easy to set up. And given the choice, Vimeo is a little easier to integrate with InDesign than YouTube.